start recording. Okay.
Yeah.
So just for only the record and for the reminder, just in case that this is confusing to you. So as you can see here, so this is your post, right? That I always update. So
Yeah.
is that clear to you, or you need me to separate them on different lines maybe? So if I put them this way, so this is actually different files. This is 3 files, 1, 2, 3. Is it clear
Yeah.
to you? I need to find another way to put them or
No, this is
organize them.
clear.
This is clear.
Yeah, this is clear. Yeah.
Okay, so if I click here, read text files, just to confirm. So let me see here. So this is the code for actually reading the text files. Is it clear?
Oh.
So this is actually, I write here how to write files, but wait, let me confirm. Sometimes there is, yeah. So this is here
Oh.
how to read from a text file, how to read the data from a text file. Okay. So and yeah, and this is so this is one way. So this will allow you, if you look here, this will allow you actually, because this is a string, so this will allow you to read a text data. And this is the remaining of the code. So you will be able to check if there is another text that you need to read or not in the file. So it will read a lot of files, okay, a lot of lines, sorry, and this will take the line and store it in the token, and this will print it out. Okay. This is one thing, but then if we want to read only double data from inside a text file, this is another way to do it, because we have to use has next double. And then to read the data itself and store it in a token, we need to use next double. So we check first has next double, which return true and false, and then the next double actually grab the real double information and store it in the token. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Do I need to simplify it more? In general,
No.
the slide itself or the explanation?
No, it's just how do I is it always next double, or how do I?
Okay, it depends. So next double, if you are the information that you are seeking is like that. Double, just double. If the information inside the text file it's just double information.
Yeah.
Okay. But if we are talking about only about text, similar to the exercise that we are having, so you just use has next here, as you see here. So you don't use has next double, just has next. So this deals with the text. So if you have a string, so like bb, gb, bg, so this is all text. This is not the numbers, right? So this while loop will keep running as long as it can find text. So if it sees that, oh, there is a text here, so it will continue, go inside the loop, and this will be stored in the token because of that line. Next.
So in my text file, I need to write BB,
you don't need to write.
GB.
No, you don't need to write. You need to only read. You only read. Because why? He's asking the probability of families getting a boy and a boy, or a girl and a boy, or two girls. He's asking the probability. So probability, you only can get it if you read a lot of information from the text file and store it. So every time you read, then the token will be loaded with something with either BB, GB, BG, or even GG. This is the only 4 choices that you have. Okay. So every time the token will only find one of these 4 choices. And then you need an if statement to check the token. Does it have BB? Does it have GB or BG or GG? So this one, girl and girl. So all the family have two children. So either boy and boy, or girl and boy, or boy and girl. These two is actually the trick here. Actually, is also one of the tricks law, that girl and boy and girl is actually the same. At the end of the family, have a boy and girl. The girl come first or the boy come first. At the end of the day, they only have two children, one boy and one girl. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but here is different. Boy and boy, different, and girl is different. So we need three counters. Do you remember last time when we deal with the dice? What did we do? How many counters we created? We created some 2, some 3, until some 12. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So exactly the same concept here, except that when you have this dice, you actually generated or randomly generated the numbers. In this case, you don't randomly generate. You just read from a text file.
But how do I get this text file? Like I need to create it or
The text file is it's not given to you. I did not give you
no?
the text file. Oh, really? Oops. That is a mistake from my side. I am so sorry. I truly apologize
Oh,
for that.
okay.
So
Because that's why I was confused because I didn't know how to get this.
okay, so that is, if I didn't put it, it means that is something on my side. I truly apologize. I should have actually remembered to put it. Sorry. Let me then, let me try to then put it for you. Give me a second, please. I put it for you here. Let me see. I also want to confirm why I did not put it here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And is here. Did you see it?
Yeah. I
Okay.
got it. Let me open.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So there's so many boy, girl, girl, boy.
Yes. But okay, I want you to open text 1 and text 2.
Okay.
You will see that there is a little amount of information. It means that the
Yeah.
file is
Yeah.
not full. Am I right?
Yeah.
So it means that using you should test first using this simple using reading the text 1 or text 2, the one with a little amount of information. Why? Because if you know the probability and you know how many what is the number of the text that you need to read, you are able to troubleshoot your code properly. But then if you have a lot, then you will never be able to troubleshoot if your code is already working correctly or not. Okay. So
yeah.
can you have a look? I just want to make sure that you are able to go through it, and then we continue our class also.
Okay.
Are you able to start just putting the outline what you need to do?
Okay, sure.
Okay. You are able to share, right?
Yeah. Let me share 1 second. Okay. And now I need to bring in this notepad. Snap. Oh, how come this doesn't?
Tell me, what is the issue?
It has no input. Like I put the text test1 file into the Java, our
Oh, really? It's
thing, but
totally empty?
it just has one, like line 1, and then there's nothing there. It's empty. Yeah.
Okay, can you try to put the family one? Let me check, confirm again if there is a problem. Test one. Oops, it's quite strange. Huh? Did you unzip the file first? Because I see that.
Yeah.
Let me then try it on my side also.
If I send it through WhatsApp, is it also empty? No, yeah, when I send it through WhatsApp, it's normal. Then maybe
Okay.
if I take this WhatsApp file and add it here.
Let me see here if I unzip it.
Maybe I take it from WhatsApp. There you go. Okay. Now I got
Done?
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
I just had to send it to WhatsApp first. Okay.
Test one.
Copy file path. Okay, so I got that already.
Okay, good. Good then. I think previously you have the code for reading text files. Am I right?
For reading text files, yeah.
Yes, it's here, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
are you
that,
able to? Yeah, you already read it and you already print it out. Perfect. Okay.
yeah. Okay, now I need to composition. Okay, so probability. Okay, let me look at this. Where's the dice? So it means I need to be able to distinguish each line separately.
Yes. But just bear in mind, like I told you, there is only 4 different choices: boy and boy, girl and boy, boy and girl, and girl and girl. So it's only 4. So your counters should be either 3 or 4 counters only. Here you have sum 2 until sum 12. It's a lot of counters.
Yeah. Okay. But how do I distinguish this separately?
Distinguish what?
Like each line as a separate, so that I can.
Okay, now let me ask you. When you want to distinguish, when you have sum 2, you compare it to what? You make an if statement and you compare it to what? Can you
I
look
compared
again?
it that I compared it if the
Sum equal
sum
equal
equal that
equal 2 or 4 or right?
Yeah.
So you need to do the same, but this is text, not a number. So the if statement, the concept should be the same. Whatever you store inside the token here. Last time it was sum. So you make an if statement with sum and you check it is equal to something. Okay. So if it's equal to 2, your sum 2, you increment it. If it is equal to 4, you sum 4, you increment. But here we are only talking about text, so we cannot use this kind of form of comparison in the text. We have to use dot eq. You remember that? Eq?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then if I do like, how do I, like, if I can make like a string here, and let's put like combination, typical. Yeah.
Okay, what do you aim to do now?
Then if I do like if that, actually I don't need, I can just do if, oh no, I need if if how do I do this? Yeah, I should just do if token equals, then in brackets I put boy, right? I need this quotation marks.
Okay.
Then wait. Then I can put integer. Yeah.
The concept is correct, but of course there is you can try.
Yeah, but then because and I need to loop. Do I need to loop it? Would it even?
Is it equal or equals?
Yeah, equals. Yeah. Okay. No, and let me. Yeah.
So I want to ask you now. You already only check the last token. So the last token is actually this one. The last value of token is this one, and you already checking it. So if you change this BB to GG, okay, yeah, okay, then you do what you want. Let me see first what you want to do.
Do I have to put it here?
Definitely, because but let me understand from you. This belong to what? Oh, so what you did now, you still did not put this inside the while. So every time he will read only one text.
I forgot to yeah. Wait. Okay.
So you started to be able to count something. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
But now we are only able to count BB.
Yeah, so now I just do this, copy this. Yeah. Okay, so I need, oh, so I need, okay, I see. Can I put or? No, there's no or. Okay, then I just make another one.
Why not? Why not? Yes, you are correct, actually. You can put all.
Oh, I can add a, but I can't, like, how do I add an or?
You have to put the whole thing again, not so you
Yeah, just
repeat that.
like this.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, that is correct. Okay. Then let me. Uh, okay. Mm, so fine, and then two. Okay. Then okay. Now I just need to get probability in it. So I just copy this. Yeah. Change this. Mm, this will be. Wait, can I make it automatic?
Yes, you can. You must make it automatic. You must know how many entries you already read from the text, how many lines you already read. So you need another counter.
Right. Okay. 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 So integer count equals 0. And then
But,
just like a normal
yes,
loop.
you can use count, and I prefer, my preference would be line count as a name.
Okay.
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 Of course, any name will work, but and normally when we create a variable name with two, so we use.
So you want a capital C?
Yes, yes, to make it.
Yeah. Okay. Then just probability equals y, probability equals girl, probability equals. Then I don't need to print this. Print it for now. And then I don't need to print that. Comment first. Okay. Perfect. Okay.
Can you check? May I know one thing? Why you need to put
Yeah.
plus plus here on the line 191?
191.
Why you need to put?
Oh, yeah, it's wrong. There you go. There, okay, there is correct. Because this is, yeah.
Okay,
Okay, it is 10.
my question to you now is that are we really doing it correctly for the probability?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do it in a calculator, because you already see how many of those is here. So if you do it with a calculator, then you are able to get the correct count properly. So
Yeah.
at least we do it
Okay.
with BB. Just count the BBs here.
Okay, yeah, so 1. So 1 divided by 10 times 100. 10. Right,
Okay.
10.
Okay, so
That's
it's correct.
right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you use the big file.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, wait, you want me to print it out in...
But we have to close and open again.
Okay.